Hey, want a picture of fire loss?
Okay.
I'll blow that whistle and get some steam there. Go back out in that driveway, I'll blow that whistle, you'll get some steam. Look on him. Oh. There's the other one. He's noisy. Yeah. I'll open this up and you hear the engine. Get a little closer to it, you hear it. Hear it? 1923, 11 tons. You get a good video of the engine. They were two German machinists, Keck Gonnerman. One was good with engines, the other one was good with metal, iron. The boiler was made in Pennsylvania, and they shipped it to Indiana, and they put it together.